Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to share Shopee affiliate links on your Messenger, TikTok account, and Facebook account. Okay, so right here, I have my Shopee affiliate account. So in order for you to have an account here on Shopee affiliate, you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar, you just have to search for Shopee affiliate. Okay, so here let's just type out a Shopee affiliate, and then we'll be able to see this first website. So you just have to click on this one and just have to sign up for an account. And then once you're done, you'll be able to see here your dashboard. Okay, so right here at the left side, you can see we have different options. So here on the product offer, you'll be able to see here the different products that we can share. And we also have here Shopee offer, so there are many options for us to choose so that we can share it on Facebook, TikTok, and Messenger. So let's start with the product offer. Okay, on the product offer section, you'll be able to see here different products. Okay, and as you can see at the top, you can also search for a specific product that you want to use. So right here you can see the commission rate and then the get linked option. Okay, so if you want to share this product, you have to get the link. So for example, this one, just click on this product and you'll be able to see here now the product offer details. So you have here the offer details, we have the commission extra, the Shopee commission, and then the estimated commission amount. So if this deal is good and you want to, get the product link, just click on the get link and then you have to copy the link. Now you can share this product on your TikTok. So let's start with TikTok. So here you just have to click on the upload option. But if you are using your computer or PC, you can only upload your video or select a video. Okay, so if you are using a phone, so you can upload an image, but on TikTok, you just have to maybe screen record the product so you can upload the video. And then from there, you can now upload the product on your TikTok account. Okay, so next we have to share this on our Facebook account. So to do that, we have to get the image of this product. Okay, so this is the products that we have uploaded on our TikTok account. So going back here, let us copy the link once again. Okay, and then let's go to our Facebook account and then just click on photo or video or what's on your mind. And then right here, you can paste the code. Okay, and you'll be able to see here now the clickable link. And if you would like to upload the image of the product, so you just have to go back to Shopee affiliate and you have to get the image of the product. Okay, and then you just have to upload it right here and then click on post. Okay, so that's how you can share your product link on your Facebook account. So when someone clicked on this product, they'd be redirected to another tab, and if they purchase this product, of course you can get your commission. Okay, so now let's share this product on Messenger. So you just have to do the same. You just have to open your Messenger account and then select a user, and then you just have to paste here your link. Okay, and then you can also add here your product. So you just have to copy and paste your link right here. So let's go back here, get the link, copy the link, and then go back to Messenger. And then you just have to paste here the link and click on send. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.